Masak apa? Masak my style. Oh wow, alamak. Apa khabar anda semua di sana? How's everybody doing? I hope you all are fine, well and fabulous. Okay, I have made so many kinds of sambal goreng, sambal goreng kodok, kodok, sambal Jawa and all these kind of vegetables with sauces, the Javanese way, Javanese style. So this is one of the most simplest masak godok masak godok yang paling ringkas sekali di muka bumi ni in this world. Okay, so come along with me and I show you how to make sambal godok or Javanese stir fried vegetables. Kisah hari ni senang, very easy, all up to you on how much you want to do. Ini terserah pada anda berapa banyak awak nak bikin. Okay, so you estimate your own estimation. Alright, okay, here I have 2 large onion slice, 12 bawang besar dihiris, a little bit of green chili and red chili slice, and then I have cekor. Cekor is sand ginger ni cekor. If you don't have, it's okay, you can use galangal. Kalau awak tak ada cekor, awak pakai lengkuas. Okay, just a few strips. Berapa keping, berapa helai saja. Bawang putih dihiris 4 biji, 4 ulas bawang putih. Garlic slice and lemongrass, serai juga 2 batang 2 stalks of lemongrass slice. Okay, then I have a bit of tempe. Tempe is soybean cake. Okay, then a bit of tofu, tahu you cut into dice, nampak? And then a bit of French beans, kacang buncis, tauki, a bit of tauki. Tauki is another type of soya. If you are vegetarian, then you don't put prawn lah. Kalau awak vegetarian, awak jangan taruh udang. Okay, so tauki, and then a bit of vermicelli soon. Okay, these two I soak with hot water to make it expand quickly and faster. Okay, nak kembangkan dia cepat. Then a bit of prawns, sedikit udang. Ni udang laut this prawns is white prawn. Okay, it's usually sea prawns. Okay, don't buy, jangan beli tiger prawn, because tiger prawn is mud prawn. Tiger prawn tu adalah udang lumpur, sebab tu dia hitam, kotor. And then this one is one small little box of coconut cream, santan 1 kotak kecil. Itu saja. Okay, dan juga seasoning yang I pakai hari ni adalah mushroom seasoning. Seasoning mushroom. Okay, memang sedap, power. Okay, you can estimate on how much you want to use on your vegetables lah, on your sambal godok. Okay, this makes simple, no blending, no udang kering, no dry prawns, no dry shrimps, no blend, all slice. Okay, it took you only half an hour to do this, setengah jam for the preparation, very easy. Now in this cooking is which one you cook first. Dalam masakan ni adalah apakah awak masuk dulu. Okay, alamak. Okay, right now we're gonna put the onion, put a bit of oil lah. Masukkan minyak, masukkan bawang dulu, onion. Okay. Now because all of these cook very fast, ni semua masak dengan cepat ni. Okay, you put in the garlic, masukkan bawang putih. You don't spoil the menu lah. Kita jangan rusakkan masakan ni. Tumis, kasih dia layu sikit. Saute until the onion turn brown. When the onion change its color, bawang pun dah berubah warna. See, put in the tofu and soya cake. Masukkan tahu dan tempe. Now kat sini awak boleh renjiskan sedikit garam, just a little bit of salt. You saute, awak goreng setengah masak. Saute until half cook. As you can see, the color has changed. Warna dia dah berubah. This is half cook, setengah masak. Now you can put in all the rest of the sliced ingredient. Awak memasukkan barang-barang yang balance tadi. Including, termasuk kacang buncis, including the French beans. Okay, and then you can put in the mushroom seasoning ataupun mushroom powder. Okay, up to you lah how much you want to put. Okay, I pun agak-agak aja. Now stir and mix well gaulkan semua. This story is very good. Okay, don't wait too long, jangan tunggu lama-lama. Okay, otherwise later all will become very soft Kalau tidak nanti semua kecut, lembek, not nice. Put in the prawn, masukkan udang. Now remember this prawn cook very fast Udang ni masak dengan cepat ni. Okay. And then masukkan air, put in water. Sorry, I put 2 cup. Air 2 cawan And then put in the coconut cream, santan 1 kotak. Okay, boleh taruh lagi. Okay, can put 1 box, 1 kotak. Okay, bring to boil, kasih dia mendidih. Okay, dah mendidih, masukkan tauki, put in the soya sticks they call it. Kasih dia masak sekejap, let it cook for a while. Okay, I don't know why no lights lah. Okay lah, bukan ampun boleh. Once it's already, the tauki is already soft, dia dah lembut kita dah boleh masukkan suun we can put in the vermicelli. The vermicelli you need to cut lah. Awak nak kena potong sikit-sikit jadi dia tak terlalu panjang, so that it will not be too long. Alright. And then you switch off the lights, switch off the flame. Okay, then you give it a bit of stir. Gaulkan dia sikit. Now let it absorb everything and infuse. Then you can dish out already, okay? Tu dia sambal godok yang paling simple of the world. Sambal goreng kodok yang paling senang di muka bumi. Kasihkan There you go. Tu dia sambal godok yang paling senang di muka bumi. This is the most easiest fried vegetables with a little bit of a sauce. The Javanese way with the most simplest way of the world. Alamak. Okay, tengok. Sedap je. Okay, alhamdulillah. Selamat kembali kepada sesi Chicken Menyekit makan-makan eating session time. Alamak. Okay. Sambal godok yang paling simple of the world, yang di muka bumi. Alamak. Okay. And my rice platter will go with the petai and the sambal belacan. Okay. Walaupun boleh makan pada hari-hari biasa jugalah. You can eat on normal days, on festive season, or wherever, whenever, bila-bila awak nak kan So okay, why is the gravy is a little bit orangey Kenapa kuah dia ada warna ni merah-merah sikit? Why is it Kenapa dia warna merah? Because I didn't put turmeric or anything, but the colour is there, So apakah yang membawakan warnanya is because of the prawn. Because udang ni colour merah kan, dia memberi warna. Okay, so make understood that is one of the best teaching session gitu. Okay, rezeki ni kat mana-mana ada. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Power of the world. Ya. Udang ni yang berikan manis-manisnya pada lauk-lauk ni semua The prawn that give you the sweetness in this cooking. Alright. Style petai beans. This petai beans I bought in a packet which is very elongated. Saya beli paket daripada yang panjang tu. I don't know from where lah. Tak tahu daripada negeri mana. Dia tak ada ulat No worms that one. That one no worms. I tried many times. I cut all clean. Very good. Just now I make so many. Or go to Kak Noma house. Kak Noma punya rumah ramai orang. So pergi kat rumah Kak Noma lah. Kak Noma is not a well-to-do family. Dia bukannya orang ada-ada. Dia orang yang katakan very good hearted. Dia orang dia baik sangat Masak semua tak lokek tau. Walaupun dia tak ada duit, even though she's poor, she can offer you food lah. Dia boleh offer awak makan tau. So kalau kita masak lebih, kita kasih dia. Okay. Important. Learn how to give. Don't be macam siap kui. Kan? Jangan jadi lokek dan penamak. Kadang-kadang manusia tu tak sadar diri dia tu penamak. Sometimes human being they don't realize what they are. Or maybe they pretend they don't know what they are. Kadang-kadang dia berlakon seolah-olah macam dia tak tahu gitu, diri dia gitu Padahal semua ni Allah Ta'ala dah kasih nampak depan mata Allah God has shown to you right in front of your face. Angkat kaki jalan. Take your leg and go away. Godaan syaitan. Saya cakap dengan awak sekarang yang pakai tudung trend. Pakai tudung tu bukan maksudnya awak ni alim. It's a trend. Okay. Those wearing the tudung is not regard as holy female person, because they also got queue for 4D what. Diorang pun ada queue kat 4D kan, dekat beli toto-toto nombor tu pun queue juga pakai tudung. Bukan seorang, ramai. Taruh je jackpot 10 million, semua beratur. Makcik-makcik semua pergi beratur. So you understand now what I'm trying to say? Hypocrisy is the word for them. Okay? Jalan lain, walaupun dia tak Q4D, tapi hati dia jahat. I don't like this kind of people. Saya tak suka orang macam ini, bermuka-muka. Okay? Saya nasihatkan awak, bergaul dan bercampur dengan orang betul. Okay? I'm not gossiping about anybody. I'm just telling you to mix with the right person. Bercampur, bergaul sama orang yang betul. Itu saja. Tak betul, awak berdosa tahu. For instance, you already know that that person is bad, then you join, you also sinner. No, dosa. Kerana duit macam-macam boleh, Because of money. That mushroom seasoning, very meletup. Very good. Yang seasoning cendawan tu memang sedap. Pakai tu je. You cook vegetarian, you use that one. Very good. Finishing soon, dah nak habis. I don't talk so much lah. Okay? I hope to see you again. Masak apa, masak my style. #mom. Bye. Power.